Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Welcome back to today's maths class. Today we will start with the fresh chapter, that is chapter 8, measurement. Yes children, now turn to page number 125, that is chapter 8, measurement. Before getting into the chapter, let's recap. Here is the question given, choose the correct answer. The length of a 100 rupee note would be measured in, it is measured in centimeter, cm. A cooking gas cylinder is weighed in, it is very hard to lift, so it is measured in kg, that is kilogram. Third one, the water in a flower vase would be measured in milliliter because the quantity is less, ml. Second one, write 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the order of increasing weight. The animal with 4 is the heaviest. Yes, you can see here frog, the animal, 1 is the lightest. So I have marked 1. So the next number is 2. I am giving it to squirrel. So next, here you can see squirrel again. So I have marked the same number. What is this? This is owl. So I am marking it as 3. Next, again the same number is given for owl. Next, what is it? It is panda. So I am giving it 4. So here panda is the heaviest. Yes, children. Third one, write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the order of increasing length. 1 is the shortest and 5 for the longest. So here socks is the shortest one, so I am marking 1. T-shirt in second place. Next, frock in third. For pant it is 4th and for scarf it is 5th. So I have marked in the order of increasing length. Fourth one, write 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the order of increasing capacity. 1 is the least and 4 for the most. So here this cup holds less water. So I have marked 1. Next, feeding bottle holds more compared to cup. Then I have marked 3 for the bottle. Then at last it is 4 for bucket. So cup holds the least and bucket holds the most. In class 2, we have learnt some units of measurement like foot span, hand span, cubit, etc. We also learnt about the standard unit of measuring length, that is meter. So next we will see measurement of length. Standard units for measuring length. Some units commonly used for measuring length and height are meter and centimeter. For measuring shorter length such as crayon and pen, we use a smaller unit of length called centimeter. We can use a ruler to measure short lengths. Look at the ruler here. The long marks on the ruler are 1 centimeter apart. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. The short marks show the millimeter. To measure a long length such as the length of a ribbon and cloth, we use a bigger unit of length called meter, M-E-T-R-E, meter. We can use a measuring tape or a meter scale to measure a long length. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Standard units for measuring distance. The distance between two places is measure of the length between them. Some standard units commonly used for measuring distance are meter and kilometer. To measure a short distance such as the one between the living room and the kitchen of a house, we can use meter. We can use a measuring tape or meter scale to measure a short distance. For measuring long distance such as distance between two cities, we use kilometer. Here you can see few examples are given. This we call it as kilometer stones. So the distance between Delhi and Lucknow by road is around 550 kilometer. There are 100 meters in 1 kilometer. So in short, by seeing this you can understand, to measure short length centimeter is used. For measuring long length we use meter. For measuring short distance we use meter, and for measuring long distance we use kilometer. For measuring height, it depends. If it is long we measure meter, if it is short we use centimeter. Now turn to page number 127 in New Guided Mathematics textbook. Choose the most appropriate unit to measure these objects. As you know, to measure shorter objects we use centimeter. If it is a longer object we use meter. So here it is a crayon. So we measure it in centimeter, cm. So I have underlined. Next, it is a eraser. So what you use? You use centimeter. Next, it is a long tree. So we use meter. Next, book. We use centimeter. Next, it is a train. You know it very well. Train is long. So we use meter to measure. Yes, children. Turn to page number 128. We have got mental sums. Shall we try out? Yeah. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now tell me, what about 2 meters then? Yeah, it is 200 centimeter. 6 meters is equal to 600 centimeter. 10 meter is equal to 10 into 100. You get 1000 centimeter. Now turn to page number 130. Exercise 8.1. Shall we start? Yeah. Measure the length of the chalk. So here you know the longer units indicates 1 centimeter. So here it is showing marked till 7. So it is 7 centimeter. Second one, use meter or centimeter for measuring the length of each. First one, length of a door. It can't be in centimeters, it has to be in meters. So it is about 3 meter. Length of a pen, you can use scale for measuring it. So it is about 10 centimeter. Next, length of a kite string. It has to be in meters because it is long. Next, height of a water bottle. You can measure it in scale. So it is about 50 centimeter. Height of a building. Can you use scale? No. So it is about 25 meter. Moving on to third sum, write in centimeters. So 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter. Next, 4 meter is equal to 4 into 100 is equal to 400 centimeter. 7 meter is equal to 7 into 100 is equal to 700 centimeter. Next, 9 meter is equal to 9 into 100, 900 centimeter. Next, 8 meter is equal to 8 into 100 is equal to 800 centimeter. Here you can see slight changes there. It is 2 meter 20 centimeter. You have to convert into centimeter. So what is done here? 2 into 100 gives you 200. You have to add plus 20 gives you 220 centimeter. So what is the answer here? 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Plus you have to add 30 centimeter, which gives you 530 centimeter. Next, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 into 100 gives you 100. You have to add plus 10. What is the answer? Yeah, it is 110 centimeter. Read the question. Given that the girl in these pictures is 120 centimeter tall, estimate the height of the objects. Height of the stool is about 50 centimeter. It can't be 1 meter because the height of the girl is 120 centimeter. That is around 1 meter and 20 centimeter. So here the stool is shorter than the girl. So it has to be about 50 centimeter. Next, height of the puppy. It has to be 60 centimeter, less than 60 centimeter. Next, height of the bicycle seat, about 80 centimeter. Take out your maths classwork, write down today's date, write heading as chapter 8 measurement. A meter is the standard unit for measuring length. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Here ends today's session. Bye. Take care.